Hello and welcome to my channel. Brad, call sign Captain Wingnut from Cougar Ridge Ranch high in the Uinta Mountains of eastern Utah. And the other day, I bent the rear plow, the scraper on the tractor. I ran into a tree root and bent it severely. So I'm going to go change clothes and we're going to straighten this baby. Let's go. So as I said in my opening, I ran into a tree root and bent this baby. It was buried in the snow. We had about a foot of snow I was pushing and bent that thing, and that is not normal. Hey, you know, as a V-blade, it works pretty good. It doesn't lose anything and hangs right in there on the snow. But then, when you turn it around to get the sharp side down, it does lose snow. In this little event right here, it's not losing too much off the sides, but when it's big stuff, it just pushes it like a big V-blade right off the edge. So I decided it's got to be fixed. And the only way to fix it is to take it off. It's bent and twisted, and so I'm going to take both pieces off. There's the blade body, and then there's a big, sharp, hardened blade that's on the bottom of that. Broke the hardened blade on the bottom, and the body has cracks in it as well. So here I'm going to get the blade off, and we're going to lay down a big, this is a D9 cat scraper blade. It's an inch thick, and it will not give. So I'll clamp this blade body down, and I'll get the big rosebud, acetylene rosebud out. I think it's about 150,000 BTU. It's really hot, and it'll heat this 5/16 steel up without any problems. And then if you heat it up right, you can take the bend and the twist out of it all at once. And then we pound it straight and get it all set up, and oh, it's just fun, especially when it's 14 degrees outside. That rosebud makes a lot of nice heat right there in that hot steel, so it's kind of nice working right there in that closed environment. Now we're going to weld up the cracks and get this baby ready to put back together. The next thing, it's got a little bit of a bow that I just couldn't get out. We're going to use the weight of the tractor, and I've braced it up. I'm going to push down on it in the center with the tractor. I'm going to put some heat on it and just get that little bit of bow out, and then we're done. Then we'll pick this thing up. It's heavy, and just get it to the side here. And then, oh, my princess brings me lunch, so it's lunchtime. All right, we'll go to lunch. Oh, we're back. Boy, that was a quick lunch. So now temperature's up to balmy 17, and I'm taking the scraper blade that's on the bottom, the heavy-duty 1-inch blade, and putting some notches in it and welding it up, and then bolting it onto the body. And then we're going to use the tractor. This thing is too heavy for me to lift and get in place and put the bolts in place, so I'll just use the hydraulics of the tractor to get it all in place and tighten up all the bolts and get it all lined up perfectly and make this thing workable and usable again. Yeah, we're gonna finish getting this all bolted down. Then we have to clean up. That's the tough part. It takes about 15 minutes to get everything put back away and organized again. And I gotta heft this big beast up and get that out of the way. Get my cardboard up and close up the shop. And there it is, straight as an arrow, ready to go back to work. Snow's coming at the end of the day tomorrow, so got to get this baby parked and ready for another dig out as we get, I don't know, we'll probably get 6 to 12 inches of snow again in this next storm.
Well, there it is. Ran out of daylight yesterday, so second day of good weather. I think we're 18 degrees today. It's balmy here. So thanks for watching. Captain Wingnut signing off. Adios.